In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Chase bank accounts into TurboTax for faster tax filing. If you want to save time and reduce manual data entry during tax season, importing your financial information directly into TurboTax can make the process much smoother. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the steps to connect your Chase account so TurboTax can pull in the relevant tax documents and account information for you. To begin, open TurboTax and go to the main navigation area. From there, move your cursor over the Income section. This is where TurboTax organizes the different types of earnings, interest, dividends, and other financial details that may need to be included on your tax return. Once the Income menu opens, click on Investments and Savings. This section is commonly used for importing information related to bank accounts, brokerage accounts, and financial institutions that issue tax forms connected to interest income or investment activity. Selecting the correct category here helps TurboTax guide you to the right import tool. After that, TurboTax will ask whether you have investment or savings related information to enter. Click Yes to continue. This tells the system that you want to add or import financial data rather than skip the section. Next, you'll see a search field where you can look up your financial institution. In that search box, type Chase. As you type, TurboTax will begin displaying matching institutions. This is helpful because it ensures you connect to the correct provider instead of entering information manually. When Chase appears in the results, click on Chase to select it. Be sure to choose the listing that matches the bank you use, since TurboTax may show similar options depending on account types or affiliated services. At this point, TurboTax will prompt you to sign into your Chase account. Enter your login information directly on the Secure Chase connection screen and follow any verification prompts that appear. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to complete a security check before the connection is approved. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for the account that holds the tax documents you want to import. Once you've signed in successfully, TurboTax can begin pulling in the available account data tied to your Chase profile. This can help speed up your return and reduce the chance of typing errors. As a final tip, always review the imported information carefully before moving on, just to confirm everything transferred correctly. And that's how to import your Chase bank accounts into TurboTax for